Hey everybody, welcome to Go for Green Living. My name's Daniel, and today I spent the entire day cooking in this Adobe oven. This morning I woke up early. Anna came out here with me and helped me. We gathered up some sticks and logs and stuff. We filled it up and we burned it, and it heated up. I know it doesn't look as good as it does yesterday with the fire coming out of it, but hey, it's the price you got to pay for all day cooking, all day off-grid cooking. Now the first thing I did was I needed something to cook soup in. So I took an old thing out of a crock pot. It's an old stoneware crock pot thing, and I put my soup ingredients in there. And then after the flame had burned out on the Adobe oven, and I was able to push all the coals to the back, then I put it in here, and it cooked for about 2.5 hours or so, and it was really boiling. You can see it was really cooking. It was really maybe a little too long in there for cooking, but it tasted wonderful. But then the Adobe oven, I had to open up the door some and let it cool off some. But then I made up some bread. You know, by scratch. I mixed the dough and kneaded it and spread it out, and then I put the bread in here, and it cooked for about 30 minutes in here, about the standard recipe. And wow, that was really good. Some fresh butter right out of the oven. Oh yeah, you got me talking there. And then Anna, special treat for me, she made up some of her special peanut butter cookies that she always makes, and I put them in there for the final cook, and then we cooked them. Now, I haven't tried them yet because I'm real full because I ate a lot of bread and soup. So if you're trying to save energy and in an off-grid situation, Adobe oven's the way to go, because once they're hot, I mean, it's still hot. I feel it from here. It's chilly out here, but it's still nice and warm here. It's still bellowing out the heat in there. Of course, I don't have anything else to cook, but that's okay. I could put something in there and overnight it, like dried beans or something like that, and just overnight a stew if I needed to. But from one fire that I was able to gather up sticks from the woods, I was able to cook all day. So this is the value of an Adobe oven, and I would advise all y'all to build one. You know, you will love it, love it, love it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed cooking all day and eating. Alright guys, I love you. Ani Ove Ocha means I love you in Hebrew. Later guys.
You know how to get my hair out?
Yeah, I'll get your hair out. What do you do?
My hair got in the way. Ow! No! Ow, ow.
Oh, don't get your finger off the button. You just tighten it up more. Quit.
Do you have to put it backwards and then do it?